Now let us move to the next question, which is based on the appreciation, again for 4 marks. Read the given extract and write the appreciation of the given poem based on the following points. Once again, let us see what are those points. The first point is about the poem, about the poet and the title. Second point is about the theme of the poem, that is the central idea of the poem. Third point is about the poetic devices, that means figures of speech, language and style of the poem. Next point is about the values, the message and morals that we learn from that particular poem. Last point is about your opinion about that poem. Now the poem that we have taken for appreciation is Money, which is on page number 122. Full poem will be provided to you in the exam for an appreciation. Before that, you need to learn the poem. You must understand the theme, the central idea and the other aspects of the poem so that you can write an appreciation very well. You should mention a little bit about the poet and other points. Let us discuss the first point. The first point is about the poet, poem and title. About the poet, William Davies was a Welsh poet and a writer. He published his first volume, The Soul's Destroyer, and other poems. Through this poem, the poet has showcased his self-experienced philosophy about money and personal happiness. All his poems and lyrics have a force and simplicity. Let's talk about the poem. The poem talks about the rich man who wants to be a poor man to find the real happiness. It is when we don't have money we realize its importance. It is a reflective poem that deals with the poet's status both as a rich man and as a poor man. The poet has nicely depicted a connection between the money and personal happiness. Let's talk about the title. In this poem, the poet expresses his self-experience and his wisdom that money makes the world go round. When the poet had money, he had a very big circle of friends. Many false friends would come knocking at his door. These friends used to often visit him as they thought that they could benefit from being with a wealthy man. But when he became poor, these so-called friends left him all alone. This made the poet realize that his big circle of friends was actually fake. Money is the root cause of every happening. So, this is a suitable title. Second point is theme or the central idea of the poem. The theme of the poem is the inverse relationship between money and happiness. Since the poet had many false friends during his time of richness and much fewer but real friends when he has become poor. The theme of the poem is the dual aspect of money. A rich man has many false friends and he lacks true happiness, whereas a poor man has few friends who are true and real. Thus, he is enriched with goodness and happiness. Next point is about poetic devices, language and style of the poem. The poem consists of 5 stanzas of 4 lines each. It has a simple narrative style. Alliteration, antithesis, inversion, simile, onomatopoeia and repetition are the figures of speech used in this poem. The poet has made use of vivid imagery, for example, wives hum like bees, or came knocking all day at my door, and then felt I like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. These lines effectively present the visuals. The rhyme scheme of the first 4 stanzas is ABCB and of the last stanza is ABAB. Next point is about the value or message that we learn from the poem. The message of the poem is that to experience true joy and happiness, one need not be rich and wealthy. It is not necessary for the poor to become rich as necessary it is for the rich to become poor. One can actually enjoy true happiness when one becomes poor. Your opinion about the poem? I like this poem because it reveals the real worth of money. It also clarifies the false and fake beliefs about the rich and the poor. Understanding the real worth of people, true happiness and value of money in an early age is actually a blessing. This poem certainly teaches a valuable life lessons to all. So this is my personal opinion. Everyone's opinion can be different. So you have to write your own opinion. That's it for this video. The next video will update you more about the appreciation and mind mapping. So keep reading and all the best. Thank you.